guys, this is Alicia with BU Natural. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my lazy twist out. So the first step you see here is me just finger detangling some knots that I may not have gotten in the shower. Usually in the shower I like to comb out and finger detangle while I'm washing my hair. And sometimes, I just forget a little bit of the knots, but that's why I come in the bathroom and I'm able to see my hair and get all the knots out that needs to be taken out. So guys, so the next step I'm doing is basically trying to figure out how I'm gonna part this, and I think most likely I'm just gonna do straight back. I feel like that's easier, and then I can always like slap a hat or scarf over if I need to go out or anything like that. So the first product that I'm using is AU Natural. Let's focus. Okay, there we go. AU Natural Dark and Lovely, and this is a curl defining glaze that I like to use on my hair. I like how it moisturizes my hair. And that right there was a shea butter that I made myself. It's a mix of different oils. If you want a video on that, I can definitely put a video on how I made that. So first, the next step is applying that curling glaze that I showed you earlier. So I'm just gonna apply that to all of that side, and I'm sectioning off the hair, making sure I get each and every strand, because you don't want half of the hair moisturized and half of it dry, because it's gonna come out looking horrible. So make sure you get all of it, rub it down, rub the ends, because the ends is most important. You want to keep them ends moisturized. They are important for hair retention, girl. So yes, I'm rubbing all of the moisturizer in, and be very lenient with the moisturizer. Girl, put the whole bottle on if you need to. Okay, so now I'm just putting a little bit more. Find the areas that look like it needs some moisturizer, getting my edges. Yeah, so getting them ends, doing the praying hands technique. That really helps clump your curls together, but that's for a different video. So yeah guys, I've pretty much gotten the moisturizer in all of my that half right there. So now what I'm gonna do is part it, and I'm using my finger because, like I said, this is a lazy twist out, so it's not gonna be perfect. The parts are gonna look raggedy. I'm telling you this right now, so don't come for me in the comments talking about, girl, you do not know how to part your hair, because I know. This is lazy. This is quick 1 2 3. Like literally this only takes me about 20 minutes, and then boom, I'm done. So yeah guys, I'm parting off this section. And basically what I'm gonna do is flat twist it all the way back. I'm putting that other hair to the side, and I'm gonna put the shea butter in at this point, because I want to make sure that I definitely get the shea butter in each section to make sure that that moisture is locked in, because it's very important when you're doing these styling techniques that you put in enough styling cream, whatever you're using really. Flat twisting my hair, if you don't know how to flat twist, I can definitely make a video on that. I probably will just upload another video on how to flat twist for those of you who don't know how to do it, because flat twisting is so important, especially with protective styling. It really is, to me, better than doing cornrows or braids, because it doesn't put too much stress on the hair, and it's a really good way to get definition when you're doing twist outs. So yes, girl, I will teach you how to flat twist. It's real easy. So I'm just twisting the bottom. I know you guys see all that moisturizer in my hair, but let me tell you something. That's how I know I put in enough. Okay, so I'm just gonna curl the ends and then bantu knot it at the end, and this is gonna give me a little bit more definition in my hair, especially at the ends. I want to make sure I'm getting a lot of definition and tucking in the ends of my hair, because that dries out very quickly, the ends. Like I said, they are very important to keep your ends moisturized. This is my part. I know it's ugly, but bear with me. I'm trying to do this quick. So yeah, this is just, I'm doing this for each and every row, flat twisting and bantu knot in the ends. And I'm just doing 3 rows on each side, something very quick and easy. When I tell you lazy, girl, this is the lazy twist out. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm doing the same process on the other side, twisting and bantu knotting the ends. And I just slowed it down just to show you guys one more time how exactly I flat twist, but I can go through it step by step on how to flat twist in a video for you. Because I know some of you, it's going to take a little bit more to learn it, and that's alright. Guys, this really is quick and easy, and it helps to really get a lot of things done within the day when you don't have to spend 2-3 hours on your hair. So I know we all need that quick fix, that quick hairstyle that's gonna have us looking bomb in the end, you know, like we don't want to come outside looking raggedy. So this is just a little something that's gonna keep you looking good. You know, all those busy moms out there, them entrepreneurs who just want to do something real quick because they don't have time. Girl, this is the style for you. Like, even this to me took too long, but you know, I'm impatient, so yes, girl, it looks hideous, but take that scarf and cover it up, and girl, it's alright. You're gonna tie it up, let it air dry, or if you want, you could dry it, but I'm going to sleep. Okay, so this is the next morning. Well, no, not the next morning, the morning after that. And I usually like to let my hair air dry, so that's why it took that long to take it out. So, and don't ride my crusty face, but it's the morning, girl, it's the morning. So yeah, if I feel like it's not all the way dry, I will sometimes take a blow dryer to it. So what I have is shea butter or any type of oil you can use. Rub your hands in that so that when you're taking down these twists, they just glide out. Y'all see that definition? Ooh, look at that definition and that curl. That's why I love doing bantu knots. It gives you that curl without the heat, and it really just helps with that twist out looking even better than you would have expected. So you're just letting your hair unravel on its own. Try not to manipulate the curl too much. You don't want to lose that definition. And yeah, like, it's already, to me, coming out real nice. Like, oh my goodness. So basically what I'm doing is I'm gently taking the flat twist out. I'm trying not to separate anything that does not need to be separated right now. If I feel like I want it to be a little bit fuller, I will at the end, but right now I'm gonna just leave it like this. So girl, you see them curls popping? Yes, girl. And mind you, this is something lazy, so it's not gonna look that defined, but as you can see, even with my lazy technique, I'm still getting all this definition. Yes, I'm basically doing that with each section. If you want to dip out your hands back in that oil just to make sure your hands still gliding through, go ahead and do that. So yes, my hair's already big, and you know, I didn't even do more than what separating of the twists. And yeah, like, you can go out like this and people will be turning their necks just to look at you, but me, I just like to kind of play with this, see how I'm gonna do it for that day. I don't know, might put it to the side, shake it out, do what you gotta do. You know, you want your hair to be bouncing. So this is just a little technique that I've learned that you can do if you want your hair to look a little bit bigger than it is at the moment, especially when you first take it out. Oh wow, just got my hair stuck in the comb already. Be advised that you will get tangles if you don't know what you're doing. But yeah, so you can just tweeze the roots to kind of make it look a little bit bigger if you want it to be like thick. So that's what I'm doing. I didn't do it that much because I felt like it was like already big enough for me. And you know, it's hot here in Florida, so I don't need all that in my face. So this is the finishing look, guys. It looks so nice. I'm actually surprised at how good it came out, especially with such little effort put into it. So guys, this is a lazy twist out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And remember guys, be you, natural.